Hey folks, welcome back to techgooch, and I have another video review for the Nintendo Switch. This is another set of screen protectors. Now, if you can maybe see on here, I actually have a screen protector on here, but it's got a couple cracks in it because it looks as though something actually did kind of smack it up here. I have kids, I have dogs, and something obviously hit it and it cracked. However, AI Orange actually sent me over a set of their screen protectors. Now, these are also glass screen protectors. However, you do get a pack of 2 with these. So they give you all the installation stuff, 2 sets of them actually, and actually 2 screen protectors. So yes, it is cracked, and yes, screen protectors don't last forever. And then of course, as you use them, you will probably want to replace them if you get any scratches on it. But in this case, it's got cracks on the screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and lift this guy off real quick here. Just get a fingernail underneath and lift up, and so you can see where the cracks were there. We're going to bring it in, and we're going to reapply a new one to the screen with the AI Orange version. So come on over. So here's the materials here. What you get with it is a couple sets of wipes, one for each set. You do only just get one of the or no, you do get 2. There it is. It's just kind of stuck together. So a couple cloths, obviously, to get any of the lint off and stuff. You do get 2 sets of stickers with the dust absorbers as well. Guide stickers, if you tend to use those, that you can use those. And then, of course, the actual screen protectors, 2 of them wrapped up. I'm just going to take one out of here. And there we are. So you can see that they have peel this mask after the application. You should be able to line these up with the various items. Obviously this is the bottom where you have the cutouts there, but there is a sensor down here in the bottom section of the screen. You can kind of see where it's from the other one, but there's a little camera right there. So this is the way it's going. So we know that this is the top, we know that this is the back, but you can see here number 1, number 2. Number 1 is the first one you peel off, second one's the second one peel off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean the screen real quick with the wipes. So they do give you a wet wipe and a dry wipe. So let's use the wet wipe first to make sure we clean up the screen. Now my screen obviously just had a screen protector on it, so it's not going to be too dirty, but of course you're going to have lint just from sitting here. So we wet it up, get it all cleaned off, make sure we go around the edge because this may be a slightly different setup anyway, but either way, get all the oils from my skin or whatever off of it. Okay. Now I'm going to open up the dry wipe, and that'll just clean it up from there. I still got lots of swirls on there, that's for sure. So I don't know how well these cleaning pads are really doing, because it kind of looks goofy now. Not a fan of what it's looking like, that's for sure. This one works a lot better. A lot better. Let's take off this one. Obviously the goal is here is just to make the screen look like you want it to look like, because anything that's on here, you're just going to put something on top of it. It's just going to add to it. So I will say that these are okay. They're not doing as much as I would like them to do. There's a lot of like leftover material, at least I can see on the screen. So I'm going to grab my microfiber cloth quick. Yeah, that's cleaning the screen up a lot better. A lot better. Is it great? Still needs cleaning, that's for sure. Now, of course, mine had an adhesive screen protector on it, so yours may not have the same issue. I think that's some of the adhesive from before, to be honest about it. But now I'm getting to the point where I'm actually happy with it. So, right, I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to get the dust absorbency ready. I got the screen protector ready. You can, like I said, you can use these guide stickers. You're probably supposed to put on like here. Every time I ever do these, it never works like I want it to, but we're going to try it just to see how it works. Dust absorber. Just going to go over the actual screen real quick. Just grab off any little pieces of dust that are going to get in our way. Take off the number 1. and point it down so we don't start absorbing stuff. But alright, so this guide sticker. Alright, go ahead and let it do its thing. So it's sticking to itself here. Hopefully I didn't get any lint or anything underneath there. You know, you never know what you get sometimes. Hope it works its way out here. And then you could also use these to just kind of press it from the center out is basically what we're trying to do. I actually pull this number 2 off. Oh, looks like I got a piece of lint underneath there. Look at what I did. Yes, I do. I have a piece of lint right there. So, yep, I did get one spot underneath there, but yeah, well, either I leave it or I can use the other one, but I think for now I'm going to leave it. For what it is, for how it looks, to be honest, the cutouts are the right size. Everything looks pretty good. It's just that I missed that one right there. That figures, doesn't it? So, the cleaning wipes that they give you with them, not very good, to be honest. Microfiber cloth is definitely a better option. In my case, obviously, I'm more worried about videotaping and everything, and I missed that one piece of lint. But I don't have a bubble around it, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm going to go with it until I want to actually go ahead and pull that one out and use that one once I scratch this, or maybe crack this one again. I don't know, or my kids did. I don't know what happened. But either way, $4 for 2 of them? Yeah, I mean, yes, cheap stuff that comes with it. If I was to say one thing is, maybe pick if you don't have a small little microfiber cloth, and I'm going to get a better one actually eventually. That's maybe one thing I would grab as well, because these little things are But for I think it's $3.99 is we can get these for this thing right now. So check out the link below if you're interested in it. If you have any questions, please post below. Share, subscribe. Let me know if you have any other questions or comments. Otherwise, we'll catch you on a future video. Thanks for watching.